What's up mga kabasketball? Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana po lahat po tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. So, good evening po or good day. So, wherever you are. Again, thank you very much po sa aking 46 subscribers. I really do appreciate po kayong lahat. So, today po, we're going to do some unboxing again. This time po, it's a retro, but instead, it's a basketball performance shoes from Jordan brand or Nike brand. Okay guys, let's do it. Here we go guys. So ito na po yung Jordan Zoom Separate. As I told you po, this is a performance basketball shoe by Jordan. So it's called po Jordan Zoom Separate. So yung pong mga mahilig mag-step back, ito po raw ang shoes na designed for you guys. So kung parehas po ang laro nyo kay James Harden, na mahilig pong mag-step back, then 3 points. Si Stephen Curry po, also. And, syempre po, yung endorser po ng Jordan shoes, one of the endorsers, si Luka Doncic. Okay. So, simple lang po ang sapatos na to. And as you will notice po, low cut po siya. And, medyo po nagustuhan ko na medyo po naiiba siya. Kasi po yung Jumpman logo po, instead pong sa gitna siya, nasa side po siya. Okay? Yung material po ay made of satin and mesh, screen mesh. Okay? So wala pong leather, right? So parang pronunciation, I'm sorry because it's my accent, I'm sorry. Anyways, so it's quite light po. So ibig sabihin, magaan po siyang itakbo, then dalhin, and of course, most especially in playing basketball. Okay. So mayroon po siyang Zoom Air para po raw pag step back mo, mayroon pong cushion. Right? So, may cushion pag step back mo, and ready for your 3-point shot. Okay? So, alam niyo naman po siguro, if you're playing basketball, ang main purpose po ng step back is to get away from your defender, para po mayroon kang enough space to take the shot and a good look po dun sa rim. Okay? So, I think po nating special. Sa akin po maganda po yung design niya. So, marami na po akong i-review. And hindi naman po, wala naman po akong a lot of time na maglaro. But, so far po, every Friday na paglaro rin for 2 hours after work. Kaya lang nahiya pa akong mag-video. So ito po yung Jordan Zoom Separate. Okay guys, thank you very much po for watching. So hindi po nakakapag-subscribe, please hit subscribe. And if you like the video, hit like. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you whenever.